me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is obviously about these contacts that I'm going to be talking about today. This is one pair of them. This one and a different pair is like my favorite pair because I feel like they're the most natural looking of the 4 pairs that I have. So I do have 4 pairs of contacts from TTDEye. Okay, and I'm gonna just be trying them on for you guys and talking to you guys a little bit about them. So first I'm gonna start by showing you guys the box and what comes in the box. This isn't really like an unboxing because I did already open them and wear them, but I'm gonna just show you guys how they come. So this is the box that it comes in, which is like a really cute, you know, iridescent looking box. And I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but it does have instructions and important information on here, like how to take care of them and stuff like that. So then when you open it, you see it has their website right here. And like I said, I did get 4, so there's 4 of these and 4 of these. What these are right here is what the contacts come in before you put them in the solution. So this is empty because like I said, I did open all of them, but each box comes with 2 of these, you know, things that the contacts come in. So you know, it's filled with solution and the contact is in here, and on here it has the information like the water content, the thickness, base curve, diameter, and how long you can use it, etc, etc, etc. And then also at the top in this corner right here, it has the prescription. I don't wear contacts or glasses, so mine does not have any prescription. Like I said, it did come with 4. So what these are a contact case, and then also these little tools that you use to put in and take them out, which makes it really easy for somebody like me because it's really hard for me to put in contacts because I don't wear them regularly. So like I said, I'm just going to try them all on for you so that you guys can see how they look on my eyes. I naturally have dark brown eyes, as you're gonna see in a couple seconds. And yeah, so if you're interested, just stay tuned. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. When I got them in the mail, only 2 of them had stickers on them for which ones were which. So I'm about to honestly guess based off of what they look like. So these and these are my favorite pairs. Like I said, don't know particularly which ones are which, and for that I am so sorry. I think that these are the queen gray ones and the other ones are the polar lights yellow green ones. But either way, those 2 are my favorite because like I said, I feel like they look the most natural. They don't have that weird, you know, contacts ring around the outside of them that I feel like makes contacts look like contacts. And I just like them because, you know, they look cute and I feel like Rihanna. So yeah. So if you guys have any additional questions, just comment below. I'll have the links and all of the colors that I tried on for you guys today in the description box below. If you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. And also be sure to follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten. And I'll see you guys in my next video.